My name is Fortun Wali. I'm the CEO of Isuroon. Isuroon means independent women. It means women who take care of herself. We provide culturally specific services. Right now, this space that is on 1600 serves about 68 zip codes. Work that we do is build relationship.
Fortun Wiley and I were brought together by Attorney General Keith Ellison. He just insisted that we had to meet. Isuroon is what I would call a boots-on-the-ground community activist organization. During the pandemic, we gave out $2 million worth of rental assistance that first winter, 200,000 pounds of food. We're the ones that people came to. We meet the day-to-day needs of the people.
For us, whether we have the funding or not, we do those things because we know those are the appropriate way of doing things. We had a space on Summer, South Minneapolis that had bad mold, and we tried to move out of the building, and the landlord really didn't want us to move, but long story short, we found this place.
I connected with Fortun probably close to 6 years ago, and our motto, our mission is to build a better future. The communities we live and breathe in, it's the backbone of the Twin Cities of the state of Minnesota, of the country. But when I think of Isuroon, I think of Fortun. The leadership, her vision, she is the lifeblood of this organization. And that's where you really have to trust and empower the leadership that Fortun provides, where the bank can be a silent partner, provide the money, provide the funding, and let Fortun and her board of directors do what they do best. And then we stay out of the way.
So within 2 months, here we were, own building. It drastically changed the outlook of Isuroon because all of a sudden we were stable, and many immigrants, refugees, we all came from instability where today that someone is living, the next day is moving. And now we own our own building. It changed the whole outlook of Isuroon in many different ways.
If we can play a small role in the success of our community, it's a win-win. I would like to see our future grow. I know Drake Bank is committed to the future of our community. I know Fortun is committed to the future of her community, and I think together we can make it happen.
This event that we're looking at is a celebration of support that they've gotten from the community and community banks. It's a delight to be with everyone here celebrating the progress of Isuroon. Really excited for what Isuroon can do and is already doing.
Being a part of Isuroon for the last 6 years has been one of the most fulfilling aspects of my life.
Right now, this space that is on 1600 serves about 68 zip codes. Triage, stabilization, and upward mobility is the key where we believe our families, Isuroon is going to be a strong position to make and help many families to be independent from our need on our services. How do we work ourselves into both helping our families into that transition mode where they don't need us anymore? Practically, my hope is to make Isuroon irrelevant because we have done our job so well.